Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Maya.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, everyone. Let us please tell me again. Yeah. So, tell me to know. Are you prepared?
Ma'am, you're getting stuck speaking. Ma'am, you're getting stuck while speaking.
A minute. I want to change my position. Here. Yes. Of the snow. So it's okay.
Yeah, but
My voice is audible. No. Say yes or no.
no.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, it's audible. No. Sometimes the plates are glitching.
Okay, how was yesterday? Yes, I was leave yesterday. Who joined here? Was I think Madhushri ma'am, right?
Yes, ma'am, Madhushi Gandhar.
Mm, So we gonna schedule assembly for Monday. So I have a plan. Weekly twice we'll conduct our the assembly, and assembly means we will schedule who's the news reading and the other things. Okay, so it's for the Monday. So who's ready for the thought of the day? Okay, Fatiha is ready for the and Imran.
Ma'am,
And who's reading us? And yes, news reading is Tanas. Atanas, I never selected you as a class teacher, Imran. Please. So inshallah, we will select a class teacher for 1 week. Inshallah, not today, Monday. Yeah. So Hadi, Amna. Yes, Atanas, yeah, you will be the riddles. Am I right?
Ma'am, I have a
Sorry?
line. In my email page now, when I write the password, it's showing the wrong password. In the ED page, no. We put a password now. It's not working. It's saying wrong password.
Could you please share your screen, Tanas? And show me again. Adi, are you there? Your camera is not visible.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check
And I
with that
write like
later.
this,
Okay.
it's showing the wrong password.
I'll listen. I hope others educates are working.
Okay.
You can see everything on there, the timetable, the class, and everything. It's available in there. It will be okay. It's daily. You just go and check it. And yeah, I think Fatiha is taught for the day. Riddles is ready. News. Who is news? News ready. Who's the riddles? Amna or Tanas?
Ma'am, so what should I do?
Okay. Amna. Yeah.
I will be proceeding.
Tanas, you have to show up your
When can I
presentation.
be the
You have to confirm your you have to confirm the password is wrong or correct with your mom, Tanas. Okay.
So what should I do for this?
So, yeah, Tanas is that riddles or news reading? News reading. Amna,
News reading.
riddles. And Hadi,
Riddles.
I didn't get. What is that? Riddles? I think it's Amna already selected that. Hadi. GK point. You have to prepare GK point, Hadi. Okay. And Imran is here. What is all we covered? It's thought of the day, riddles, news reading, GK, and word of the day. Yes. Imran.
No.
Then what will you do? They tell me. Tell me,
I
Imran,
want
what
to
will
be
you do?
word of today. No.
I'll give you
No.
that.
No.
Are you gonna lead the class?
Ah.
I don't want that.
I'm gonna lead the class.
Who said that, Imran? Who said that? You was. Okay, you was the class
I'm the
leader,
class
but not yet.
leader.
Not. Yeah.
You.
Inshallah, we'll select and I'll make you that. Okay.
No, only for 6 months ago.
Then what will you do?
But no, I don't want to be. I don't want to be.
Inshallah, I'm planning to change the things that for the assembly, the categorization. Inshallah. Inshallah. So don't
I want to
forget
be
Fatiha,
there.
Hadi,
I
Tana,
want to
Samna,
be there.
Fatiha. Okay. Thought for the day, Tanas, Amna riddles, Tanas news reading, Hada's that what? The GK points. Okay, anyway, you Saris. Yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye. Have a great day.
And do we have to make a Reddit's presentation? Does it do?